Well, here's the results of the Avengers paperweight. I was gonna put the thing for my channel to if not now when, but I made a hell of a mess of that with the soldering iron, so I haven't cut the bottom off or anything. I don't know. Part of me kind of likes it that way. Part of me doesn't, because then it's offset it. There's too much up here and not enough down there. Not really sure why I did the texture on it either, but you know. Kind of neat. It was supposed to be a last night video while I was working on Dave here, but I'm not done with that. And I ran out of gas, and